Oh, I think those bearings got wet and got destroyed. Whoops, didn't know my camera fell over. Sorry. Bearings got destroyed. Wow. Not even left. Holy mackerel. I'm gonna have to dig out my wheel puller. That bearing is stuck on there. What's left of it. Just back race is okay. Holy mackerel. If I can zip it off. Got it. Well, the water totally destroyed my hub and the bearings, so I decided to just take the hub and go match it up, and I got a brand new hub. I got the hub, I got the bearings, everything came in one hub, so I didn't have to put the races in, I didn't have to put the bearings in. All I had to do was put the hub on. It even came with new lug nuts, a new cap, everything. 80 bucks out the door. Was at a trailer place down off 301, and very reasonable. And so I got a brand new hub now. I cleaned up the spindle. The spindle looked good, and I just wasn't gonna mess with it because the hub just was trashed, and if I put new bearings in it and tried to get by, it just wasn't gonna last. I don't know how long that cap had been off of there, but I went through a lot of flooded water in the hurricane, and the water just poured in there and just destroyed it. See, you can't see this trailer from behind in the motorhome, and I couldn't tell that the wheel was wobbling or anything. And as soon as I jacked it up, it was so loose, and it was just gone, totally gone. So I got a brand new hub now. So that's fixed.